Literacy is a bridge from misery to hope. It is a tool for daily life and modern society. It is a bulwark against poverty and a building block of development, an essential complement to investments in roads, dams, clinics, and factories. To live is to choose, but to choose well. You must know who you are and what you stand for, where you want to go and why you want to get there. Literacy is, finally, the road to human progress and the means through which every man, woman, and child can realize his or her full potential. Literacy unlocks the door to learning throughout life, is essential to development and health, and opens the way for democratic participation and active citizenship. We may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race. The future of peace and prosperity that we seek for all the world's peoples needs a foundation of tolerance, security, equality, and justice. Young people should be at the forefront of global change and innovation. Empowered, they can be key agents for development and peace. Our biggest challenge in this new century is to take an idea that seems abstract, sustainable development, and turn it into a reality for all the world's people. Let us be good stewards of the earth we inherited. All of us have to share the earth's fragile ecosystems and precious resources, and each of us has a role to play in preserving them. If we are to go on living together on this earth, we must all be responsible for it. Violence against women is perhaps the most shameful human rights violation, and it is perhaps the most pervasive. It knows no boundaries of geography, culture, or wealth. As long as it continues, we cannot claim to be making real progress towards equality, development, and peace. I often quote an African proverb that says, "The world is not ours, the earth is not ours. It's a treasure we hold in trust for future generations." And I often hope we will be worthy of that trust. Acquiring literacy is an empowering process, enabling millions to enjoy access to knowledge and information which broadens horizons, increases opportunities, and creates alternatives for building a better life. The preservation of biodiversity is not just a job for governments, international and non-governmental organizations. The private sector and each and every individual have a role to play in changing entrenched outlooks and ending destructive patterns of behavior.